Hi friends, welcome to Abhijit Sana Maths channel. In this channel we are uploading 10th class complete this textbook with numericals. Here the chapter 1 is linear equation in two variables. Let's study method of solving linear equation in two variables. First is graphical method and another one is Cramer's method. Means the linear equations can be solved by first graphical method and another way, that is Cramer's method. These methods will be seen later on. Now the equation can be transformed in the linear equation in two variables. If the variable is not in the form of linear equation, then it can be transformed, means it can be converted from non-linear to linear equation by substituting the variables. It may be seen later. Application of simultaneous equation, these three topics can be included. Now let's recall what we know about this linear equation. What this linear equation in two variables means: an equation which contain two variables. Here the variables means an entity which changes. Here the word variables means vary plus able. Vary plus able means an entity which is able to vary is called as variables. Means equation contain two variables and the degree of each term containing variable is 1, and each variable must have a degree of only 1, is called as linear equation in two variables. Means equation having two variables and having their degree only 1. Ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is the general form of the linear equation in two variables. Ax plus by plus c is a general form, means generally the linear equations can be found in this form. Now according to the definition, this equation has two variables, that is x and y. These are two variables and their degree, here x, the degree of x is not any number on the power, that's why its degree is 1. Here not number on the power, that's why its also degree is 1. Means these are equation. This is an equation with two variables having x and y as variable. Now here ABC are constants and real numbers. Constants are those entities whose values never changes. Here ABC are real numbers and ABC are not 0. Here specially the value of A and the value of B is not 0, because if either their values are 0, the terms will be eliminated, because the multiplication of 0 with any variable or any number is 0. That's why this variable will be eliminated. To avoid this, these A and B must not be equals to 0. 3x minus 4y plus 12 equals to 0 is the general form of the equation, which also we can write as 3x minus equals to 4y minus 12, because minus 4y plus 12 goes on right side, all the signs and signs changes. Now here it is in the standard form. Here the value of, now comparing with this equation with ax plus by plus c, we will found that the value of a will be 3 here, value of b will be minus 4 and value of c will be 12. Hence this equation is in the standard form. Now check whether these equations are either linear equations or not, or can they transform from non-linear equations to linear equations. Here equation 1 is 4m plus 39 equals to 12. By comparing this equation with standard form, we get that this is A, this is B, this is variable first variable and this is second variable, and this is the value of C. And the power of these variables, the power of first variable is 1 and also the power of second variable is 1. Therefore it satisfies the definition of linear equation. That's why it is a linear equation in two variables. Now moving to second, here we observe that two variables are available, but the condition that here the variable x has power 2, but in linear equation there it is mandatory that the power of each variable must be 1. but here the power of x is 2, that's why it is a not linear equation. Now moving to third one, here the two variables are given having 1 as their degree, means it has 1 degree individually, therefore it is also a linear equation. Number 4, 0x plus 6y minus 3 equals to 0. It is not a linear equation because here the value of a is 0. It must not be 0. It is 0, that's why 0 into x will be 0. That's why the variable x will be eliminated and only one single variable y will be remain. It is not according to the definition of linear equation. That's why it is not linear equation. Here number 5, 0.3x plus 0y minus 36 equals to 0. It is also not a linear equation because here the coefficient of this variable is 0. It means it will, by multiplication with 0, this variable will become 0 and only the single variable will remain. That's why this is also not a linear equation. Number 6, 4 divided by x plus 5 divided by y equals to 4. This is also not a linear equation because if these two variables are in the denominator, but it can be transformed into the linear equation by substituting the values. Here 4 divided by x can be written as 1 by x into 4, and here 5 divided by y also can be written as 5 into 1 by y. Here we can substitute 1 by x and 1 by y, the variable. Here we can substitute m, you can substitute n. By changing the variables, by substituting variables, this equation can be transformed into 5m plus 5n equals to 4. Now this is a linear equation having two variables, which is one m and another one is n, having 1 as the degree. Therefore this non-linear equation can be transformed into linear equation. Here 7, here two variables are given x and y, but order of this is 1, but order of this xy is 1 and 1, means order is 2. That's why it is a not linear equation.